I have started covering induction motor also with this video. What is the name of another rule which is equivalent to right and thumb rule? It is called right hand screw rule. As you rotate the right hand screw, it moves forward. Direction of motion of screw gives direction of current. Direction of rotation gives direction of flux. Knowing direction of flux, you can also find direction of current which produced flux. Why starting current is high in induction motor? Starting current is high as induction motor is a short circuit transformer at starting. What is the difference between welding and brazing? In welding, parent metals also melt, whereas in brazing, parent metals do not melt. What is BA in Braze stands for? It stands for not barium but Braze. In the case of copper rotor bars in squirrel cage, which Braze is preferred? BaCuP5 is preferred as flux is not required in case of copper to copper joint. Moreover, 15% silver present in braze improves ductility. When is efficiency maximum in squirrel cage induction motor? First, let us understand difference between fixed loss and variable loss. Fixed loss does not vary with load, whereas variable loss vary with load. Efficiency is equal to output by input is equal to Vi cos phi minus fixed loss minus I square R loss divided by Vi cos phi is equal to V cos phi minus fixed loss by I minus IR divided by V cos phi. Efficiency is maximum when numerator is maximum. Differentiating numerator with respect to I, we get fixed loss is equal to variable loss. Aim is to get maximum efficiency at 100% load. There is a margin of 10% between load and motor. Hence, maximum efficiency is kept at 90% load. Why? Starting torque is low in induction motor. Torque is equal to SE2 square R2 divided by R2 square plus SX2 square. At starting, S is equal to 1. Sx2 is much larger than R2 and R2 may be neglected. Thus, at starting, torque is inversely proportional to S and reduces with increase in S. Torque speed curve of induction motor is shown. As seen, starting torque is low. How can you increase starting torque of induction motor? At starting, torque is equal to E2 square R2 by X2 square. Starting torque increases with rotor resistance. Thus, brass is used to increase starting torque as it has higher resistance than copper. Comparison of torque speed curve with brass bar vis-a-vis copper bar is shown. Which braze is preferred in case of brass bar in squirrel cage? Advantage of phosphorus base is not there in case of dissimilar metals. Hence, BaCuAg14 Braze is preferred as it contains 45% silver, which has high ductility. What do you understand by property class of screw? First digit multiplied by 100 gives UTS in Newton per mm square. Second digit multiplied by 10 times the first digit gives yield strength in Newton per mm square.